Hi, my name is Matt Gilbertson. I've been at Carrickbrook for probably 18 months now. I recently had some work done in relation to an anti-snowing device, and also I grind my teeth. So my dentist, Tarek, advised me about this product which could help me stop snoring, or help me snoring, and also help me sleep. And it was fitted to my mouth, and the results are fantastic. Stopped my snoring, and my sleep is 10 times better. Before I used this device, I used one that I just ordered off the internet, and it was hopeless and complete waste of money. But yeah, and the backup sort of support from Carrickbrook is unbelievable. Fantastic dental practice. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's all right.
Like I said, we don't want it to look professional, what is. Let me just see if I can.
Oh, if it needs anything else, just
Do you know about that? It'll be fine. You know, we've had